Hey, what's up, high levelers? If you are an Apple user, this video is going to be a breeze of fresh air for you, because in this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your iCloud calendar with your GoHighLevel account. So let's dive in. All right, so the first thing you have to do is make sure you're added as a staff member in your sub account, then head over to settings, and then you're going to click on my profile. Once you do that, scroll a bit down where it says integration, and then you will see the iCloud calendar option. Now, just before we hit connect, I want to highlight here that this is a one-way sync, which means that any changes you make in GoHighLevel will of course be translated to the iCloud calendar, but if you make any edits in the iCloud calendar event, it will not come back to GHL. So with that being said, let's go ahead and click on connect right here. Now it's going to ask you for two things only to make this connection. The first one is the iCloud email address, which will be straightforward, and then it has the iCloud password. So this is not going to be your actual iCloud password, but it is going to be an app specific password that we will create in a moment. So in order to create an app specific password, all you have to do is head over to appleid.apple.com, sign in with your account, and then if you scroll down, you will see this option, which is app specific password. So just click on that real quick, then click on generate an app specific password, and then you can name it something like GHL iCloud calendar. And once you have that, just hit create here. It may ask you to confirm your password again. Once you hit continue right here, it will give you the app specific password. So just make sure you copy that, head back over to your account again, type in your iCloud email address, and then paste the password. And all you have to do is click connect. Once that is done, it will show this green tick right here. Then head over to calendar configuration, and where it says check for conflicts, just click on edit right next to your calendar and make sure that you have selected the right category for your iCloud calendar. In this case, it is work. So I'm just going to click that and then hit save. Once this is all done, you're ready to go, and your iCloud calendar is now connected with your GoHighLevel account. All right, so that was all about this video. I hope you liked this one. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you.